In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Twitch gift card. By the end, you'll confidently purchase a digital gift card that arrives right in an inbox, ready to use on subscriptions, gifted subs, or bits. First, head to the official Twitch gift card page or a trusted gift card website. Sticking with reputable sources helps you avoid expired codes, region issues, or unnecessary fees. If you're unsure, check reviews, confirm the site supports your country and currency, and make sure the listing clearly says digital delivery by email. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Twitch gift card. That should bring up the correct product page. Open it and review the details. You're looking for the Twitch logo, confirmation that it's an email delivery, and any notes about regional restrictions. Some cards work only in specific countries, so it's smart to match the card's region with where the recipient's Twitch account is based. Next, choose the amount you want. Common options include $25, $50, $100, or $200. Think about how the recipient might use it. For example, a smaller amount can cover a month or two of a subscription, while a larger amount gives them more flexibility. If the site allows multiple quantities, you can also combine amounts to reach your target budget. Click Buy or Add to Cart. Before you proceed, double-check that the delivery type is digital and that the quantity and amount are correct. If you see taxes or fees, review them now so there are no surprises at checkout. Now, enter the recipient's email address. Type it carefully and verify there are no typos, since the code will be sent there. If you're buying it for yourself, enter your own email so you can forward or redeem it later. Some sites let you include a short message. Add that if you want a personal touch. Enter your payment details, such as a credit card or PayPal. Make sure your billing info matches your payment account, and complete any verification steps. Never share your card details or one-time codes with anyone claiming to be support. Review your order summary and complete the purchase. Most digital Twitch gift cards are delivered almost instantly after payment is approved. Finally, check the inbox for the gift card email. Look in spam or promotions if you don't see it within a few minutes. When it arrives, you'll find the code and basic instructions. Keep the code private, store the email safely, and forward it securely to the recipient. If delivery is delayed beyond a reasonable time, contact the seller's support with your order number. And that's it. Simple, fast, and ready to make someone's Twitch experience even better.